and welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 3500HD LTZ Trail Boss. Comes equipped with a 6.6-liter turbo diesel Duramax engine paired to a 10-speed automatic Allison transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather heated cooled seats, power sliding sunroof, Z71 package, tow mirrors, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all-black interior with paneling, cup holder storage on the bottom, equipped with a Bose speaker sound system. That'll come up here with the power locks, mirrors, and windows with your seat memory, the Wolfe accent. You're also getting these tubular running boards up here as well. You get these power adjustable leather heated and cooled seats. Super nice. Left side, you'll have your ventilation as well as your heads-up display, drive mode selector, and lighting control. Left side of the steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel, the black bow tie. The right side will be your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. Now for the odometer cluster control, it's all digital. You can access all of your vehicle information, including your trip info, your drive summary, adaptive cruise, as well as all your gauges, as well as you can access audio, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings as well. It's going to be push to start. You have the classic call and truck shifter, and onto the infotainment. Equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Google Assistant and Maps, as well as you can access your front, rear, and 360-degree camera, as well as your mirror cams and your bed view. You also got built-in Wi-Fi hotspot as well as Amazon Alexa. And just below, you're going to have your exhaust brake right next to your lane departure warning, park assist, and hill descent control, part of the Z71 package. Here you're going to have the integrated brake controller right next to your dual zone climate control with 2 USB ports on the side, and center console with lots of extra storage, cup holder, as well as a wireless charger pad, 2 more USB ports, and an AC wall port. Passenger side, same finish, power adjustable, heated and cooled, monochrome all the way across. Speakers and vents up top, some storage behind the infotainment. You're gonna have regular and digital rear view. And then here you can access your reading lamps, OnStar and SOS, your power rear sliding window, and your power sliding sunroof. You got these blacked out 20-inch wheels of Goodyear Trail Runner all-terrain tires. You're gonna have blacked out badging, as well as the tow mirrors, paint match keyless entry door handle, side steps as well. You're gonna have the black Trail Boss badging with the corner step bumper, as well as your trailer hitch and fifth wheel just under. More of the black emblem. You got the multi-flex tailgate. With the grab handle, you got 2 LED lamps as well as an AC wall port. Around 12 bed tie downs and your hitch points. It's a pretty spacious rear. Moving on to the rear interior, you got more paneling and storage right next to the speaker. Power window with the wooden chrome accent. Lots of extra legroom, storage behind the passenger or driver's side with rear cup holders, rear heated seating, ventilation, as well as USB ports. You've got cup holder and armrest right in the center, storage behind the seats, as well as storage under, with lamps up top and handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 3500HD LTZ Trail Boss, equipped with a 6.6-liter turbo diesel Duramax engine, as well as Trail Runner all-terrain tires, adaptive cruise control, power sliding sunroof, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.